Hello everyone and welcome back to the English Owl. Today I'll be showing you how to use the present continuous tense correctly in your speaking. Want to know why saying I'm going to fly to Madrid on Sunday is wrong? Watch until the end to find out why. Before we start, please remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell to see more videos like this. If someone asked you right now, what are you doing? You would simply say, I'm watching a YouTube video. Someone else might say, I'm eating dinner. These are quite easy sentences, but I want you to look at the following sentence. Mary is working in Australia at the moment. Why do you think we don't say Mary works in Australia at the moment? The easiest way to remember this is by using the correct keywords. Write down and remember these when you create your own sentences. Words like at this moment, right now, and currently. Do you notice that these words describe things happening around now? For example, currently I'm working on 3 different projects. Right now my wife is writing her next book. I'm not talking to my sister at this moment. This does not mean that we are actually doing it right now, at this very second, but things we are doing around the present time. Comment down below and create some of your own sentences. I'm sure that just like me, you got into a lot of trouble when you were young. Remember how our parents used to tell us things like, stop wasting my time, or you're not going to your friend's house, or even you're not watching television now. Can you see that with all these commands we also use the ing form? You can also use this form when you refuse something. I'm not talking to you. He's not signing this document until he speaks to his lawyer, and so on. We all know the most basic forms when we talk about our future plans. Sentences like, I'm going to visit my mother and maybe I will watch a movie tonight. But what's so different about this sentence? I'm flying to Madrid on Sunday. Or even this sentence, we are meeting at 3 o'clock. Both these sentences refer to the future, but what makes them so different from going to and will? Well, the answer is quite simple. Both have fixed times or dates. If that is the case, forget about will. Forget about going to. Simply use the ing form. Write down some of your own sentences and as always use it in your speaking. It's the best medicine to become fluent. I really hope this video helped you and I'm very excited to read your own created sentences in the comments below. Please leave a like and remember to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so that you won't miss out on any future videos. See you next time. Take care.